Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle. So for me it's right over here. So before you actually tap on it, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings. And from here, let's start by going to set up portable hotspot. And as you can see, there is the SSID that will be the name of the hotspot visible in the Wi-Fi list, so you can change it if you want to or keep it the same. It really doesn't matter. Then the thing that does matter is the password below, which is set randomly every time you format the device. So you can simply remove this one if you don't want it and set it to something easier to remember. So for instance, something like this. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, as mine does. Then security below that, I would keep it as it is. If you choose none, you just won't have any kind of password and anybody can connect to your hotspot at that point. Then device identification, portable hotspot, keep it as it is. Select AP band. This part I would set it to 5 GHz, but this is really optional. And also not everybody will be able to support it, so I would say it this way: set it up to 5 GHz, test it if it works. If it doesn't, go back here and change it to 2.4. Now the benefit of 5 GHz will be that the connection with the Wi-Fi will be faster, stronger, but the downside of it is older devices will not support it. So if for instance you set it to 5 and you try to look for your Wi-Fi in the list and you just simply don't see it, that means that your device probably isn't supporting the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. If that's the case, simply, like I said, drop it to 2.4. But if it does, well, then it will work. And I'll also mention that the 5 GHz right here is something completely different from the 5G that you have in the Wi-Fi in the phones now. In like 2020, the 5 GHz is just strictly Wi-Fi, while the 5G cellular is well, for the cellular network, not the Wi-Fi. So they are completely separate, and manufacturers don't really market the 5 GHz as anything special for the Wi-Fi. So once you set up all those stuff, click on the check mark and you're done with the setup, and all you need to do now is simply enable it whenever you need it. So you tap on the check mark right here, it becomes enabled. As you can see, I believe, there we go, Android system tethering or hotspot active. So you can see that it is right now enabled. And now people with the password can connect to your Wi-Fi and they can use your mobile data to basically browse the web. Now once you're done with it, make sure you turn it off. It will use a little bit more of your battery if you keep it on. So like you just seen, you turn it off by simply tapping on it once more. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.